All right, we got a '09 Honda Civic. It's a little 1.8 motor with a no start, got towed in, and this one was pretty difficult to figure out. No start. We had a lot of relays that weren't working in here. That ultimately I traced down to this bolt right here. If you follow this down, you'll see this goes to a bolt right there. It's an important ground right there, and it was loose. And I think I'm pretty sure that's what created all of these issues, which ultimately ended up being a PCM. Now, to figure that out, you'll notice, or at least if you have this similar situation, if you trace these two relays, and you'll notice that they're not being grounded by the computer, this leg right here, as I've done here on the PGM FI relay number 1. This one here was not grounding, and this one right here, the coil relay, was also not being turned on by the computer. So once I got to that point, I knew right away it's got to be the computer. Had to get another computer, and of course, after reprogramming the computer to this car, it cranked right up. And you got to do reset the keys too for the immobilizer. But that ended up being the problem. That's a tough one. I've noticed some other people with the same issue. Check these two relays. Check that ground. That's my advice, and you may fix it.